Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Poco X4 Pro 5G. Okay, for that you will have two ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can tap on the preview to edit the screenshot and so on, or you can send it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time. The power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now here on the preview, you are able to edit the screenshot here. Now, where you can draw something inside or you can highlight something if you want. And if you tap here on the corners, you can also crop just a part here of the screenshot, like in my case, the Google bar. Very useful, by the way, if you want to crop a picture from a website or something like this. And after you can share this edited part here or save it here directly to your gallery. Okay, there's a second way to take a screenshot. For that we will need 3 fingers. So take 3 fingers, swipe them across the screen and you have a screenshot as well. A pretty nice feature. Take 3 fingers, swipe them across the screen and you will have a screenshot as well. Yeah, where to find your screenshots? Of course here at the gallery. You can see them at the photos. But what is also very nice, if you go here on the category albums, the screenshots have their own folder just for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something that would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or me, just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.